Hello, and welcome to another install video with Boomba Racing. Today we'll be working on the TLX Type-S and the Boomba Racing bypass valve. To get started, make sure you have the following tools to complete the install. Begin by disconnecting the vacuum line on the engine block side from the stock bypass valve. Using the 8mm socket, remove the OEM bypass valve. Pre-install the provided vacuum line and hose clamps. Align the Boomba Racing bypass valve and the mounting location. Secure the Boomba bypass valve with the OEM hardware. Secure the vacuum line to the engine block side. And you're done. Thanks for joining us for another install video with Boomba Racing. Like and subscribe for more like this.